Every student, when they enter business school, we assign one academic success advisor to them. Our commitment goes beyond supporting students through their challenges, working towards equip students with essential academic skills. So we're not here to push students to work harder. We try to help students to study smarter. We recognize the transition from school to university is an ongoing process. So our support is also ongoing and multifaceted. At the beginning of our term, our supports can focus on supporting students to develop some very essential academic skills, such as how to make the most out of the lecture through active listening, through effective note-taking skills, and how to participate in workshop effectively. Our support then switch to supporting assessment, like assessment preparation, research skills, finding the reliable resource to support their academic argument. We support students to understand their results and feedback, and we empower students to reflect on their journey and to identify areas for improvement that align with their future assessment as well as their unique academic goal. Fostering a strong sense of belonging is one of our top priorities, and we have events for all the students, academic and professional service staff to get together to share their experience, to connect, and also to celebrate our diverse community. We want to support students to feel belong to our community because they are the most important member of our community. The Academic Success Advisor enables us to provide a real student-centered and holistic approach to support our students and to make the most of their talent and their life at Sussex.